You teach photovoltaics, and you know the challenge. Sometimes there's no sun. Sometimes the weather just doesn't cooperate. What if you had the power to control the weather according to your lesson plan? With the Solar Field Emulator, you bring custom weather conditions directly into your training lab, perfectly aligned with your PV training, no matter the season, weather, or outside temperature. You don't need a real PV system on the roof. No complex outdoor setups, no dependency on the weather. You simply decide how much sunlight, what level of shading, which angle of incidence, all at the push of a button. Your learners analyze the results live. Voltage, current, power, all values respond instantly to your settings. That's how theory turns into real-world understanding. This compact mobile system integrates seamlessly into different training system of LN. No more waiting for the right weather. Full control over your teaching environment. MPP tracking, self-consumption optimization, grid feed-in. All key effects can be explored, tested, and repeated as often as needed, hands-on and safely. With the Solar Field Emulator, you make your PV training more flexible than ever before. Your learners become system designers and experience the energy transition right in the classroom. Would you like more information or a non-binding offer? Simply contact us using the email address shown.